Students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. Student, today I am here with the cursive writing. I hope you all remember that we had already done the capital cursive writing A from A to J, right? And I uploaded the video also, same video also for those cursive writing also. So today I am here with the new few cursive writing which we will going to write here. So shall we start, students? Okay, so today we will going to write cursive K L M N O P P Q R S T and U. So shall we start, students? Okay, so let's start to write the cursive writing. You just need to follow my step, and also for if you want that you want to learn the cursive writing, for that you need so much practice. So students, remember, do more practice at your home also. Only that you can be write the cursive writing in proper format. Okay, got it? So let's start, students. So today we'll going to write the K. So you just need to follow my steps. So just make a standing line like this curve. First come from here, then go like this, then slightly go up and then come down. This is how you can write the cursive K. Let's try it again. Go up like this, then this, then come down and like that. Got it, students? Here also we need to draw like this, then come down. Don't move your hand, okay? Don't move your hand, just move your pencil like this. From second line, go up, come down, take a curve like this, then go back, then come down like this. Is how you can write the cursive K. Okay, let's come to the next alphabet. That is, let's write the L. So class, put your pencil on the second line, then go up, turn, take a turn, come down, and again turn and then go up like this. Okay, you just need to follow the steps. Let's try again. Go up, then turn, slanting line slightly, then this is how you can write the L, cursive L. Now let's write next alphabet, M. Put your pencil on the 1, 2, first, second row, and between the second and third line, go up, then come to the third line, then go up, then come down and like this. Okay, you can only be a perfect in the cursive writing when you do the more practice. If you have a tracing book, practice on that also. For that, come down, go up, and then this is how you can write the cursive M. This is come down. You have to touch the completely 3 lines all. This is how you can write the M. Which alphabet comes after M? Tell me, students. It's N. N is also very easy. Go to the third line, between the second and third line, put your pencil here. Turn, go up, go down, and go up and slide. Turn. Okay, do it again. Go up, then come down like this. Okay, students, just follow the steps. Okay, so which alphabets comes after N? Yes, it's O. So how you will write it? O, make a circle, make a O, then you just need to give one tail to O like this. Okay, O, then make a tail like this, make a O and then tail like this is O. Okay, and which alphabet after comes after O? Tell me, student. Yes, P. P. Okay, now how will write it? P. Draw the standing line, then go from here. This is how you can write P. Okay, come down, go up, then P, then again come down, go up like this, and this is P. Okay, let's write the Q. Make a O, then come down, then give the tail here. Come back, then O. See, make a complete O, then come down from here and then take a. Same like this also, make a O, then again complete it and then like this. Okay. Okay, student. Okay, let's go to the next alphabet. Let's write R. You need to draw the R same as the P. Like this. Now you need to give like this. Okay. Then go up. Then turn it again. Standing line. Then make it. Okay. You need to give some curve here. Okay. So let's. Which alphabet is left now? Yes. It's S. Now need to understand the S. You have to put your pencil in between the second and third line. Okay, first you need to put your pencil here, go up, then down, and then go. Okay, like this. Then go up, then come down like this. Okay, then go up, then come down like this. Okay, student, let's write T. Put your pencil here between the second and first line and make a small standing line, then sleeping line, standing line, then curve. Okay, again small standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and curve. Small standing line, sleeping line, and curve. Got it, students? Now it's K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Now after one, there is one more alphabet, that is U. How we will write U? Like this. Okay. Class, do not move your hand. Just move your finger. Calm down. Make a U and then come down. Got it, students? Now, this is how you can write the cursive K, then L, cursive M, cursive N, cursive O, cursive P, cursive Q, cursive R, cursive S, cursive T, and cursive U. Okay, students? Now, student, you understood how to write the cursive K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and U. Right? Now, rest of the alphabet, I will come with a new video very soon. So, student, I have one homework also. This is your homework. Write each alphabet in copy and do more practice. As I've been telling you that for the cursive writing, you need more practice. Okay. So class, I hope you liked the video. Very soon I'll come with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.